Now at noon, howling winds and pouring rain bringing down trees, fences, and power lines in the biggest storm of the season, which has caused widespread damage across Northern California. The high country, meantime, buried in heavy snow. A blizzard warning is in effect now in the Sierra with whiteout conditions and several more feet of snow still expected to come. Titan HD radar showing scattered showers and snow still coming down right now, with another round expected later this afternoon. Good afternoon, I'm John Dabkovich. The storm has our full focus this hour. We're tracking the damage and also the timing of the rest of the rain and wind and snow. So let's get to Cody right now for a look at what's happening right now with the storm, Cody.
Overnight, John, the rain fell like a first-timer on rollerblades. Hard. Now, we're getting a little bit of a break. This is the last remnants of the rain that came through here overnight. Notice how it's lifting up to the north, though. That's going to be very important. So here's the last bit of rain that's associated with the thing that came through here overnight. Let me zoom out here. This is your future. So all of this is eventually going to creep up like this and bring us another round of heavy rains. Now, the winds are not going to pick up like they did last night, so that's the good news. But between now and I'd say about 6, 7 o'clock, we're probably just going to see some light rain. It's after that, then we think these rains are really going to pick up, and we're talking about a whole mess of it. We're also going to see more snow. This is never going to let up, this snow, all the way through Friday morning. But we'll see this stuff kind of creep up late tonight into early tomorrow morning, and we're going to add, I'd say, another inch maybe and a third, maybe even an inch and a half on top of the totals that we got overnight, which was over an inch. So another inch and a half in Sacramento by Thursday night. Yeah, inch and a half in Marysville, over an inch in Stockton, almost an inch and a half in Modesto. So there's more where this came from. The snow is really problematic. It is very unstable. So we've got some avalanche concerns as well and some blizzard conditions still going on in the high country. We'll talk more about that coming up in just a second.